Hello traders. We continue to grow this deposit, which I started with $100. Check out the 2 previous videos if you haven't seen them. This video will again cover the initial trade and 2 follow-ups. We will trade the entire deposit tightly. That is, I am simply setting boundaries for myself. The initial trade is $250, the second trade is $500 and $1,100. This is our second trade, or the entire deposit. I am placing an immediate 2-minute trade for a decline because I see that the price is hitting a consolidation area, a level, and is likely to experience a pullback now. The price may also go for a false breakout. If of course there is a breakout of this level, then we will decide. Either we enter for an upward move, or we take a martingale from the next level for a downward move. Williams was bought in the feast of bullishness and went down. All indications point to a decline. I think this is a clear signal. Great, the price has dropped further. The first initial trade is $250, $500 is our first martingale, and $1,100, or the entire deposit for the second martingale. Trading very close to the edge, it's a typical situation. I'm trading very close and growing this deposit. I want to increase this deposit to a certain comfortable amount, maybe withdraw part of it, or I might grow it even more, having started with 100. Check out the 2 previous videos. It's not a very pleasant situation right now, we have 20 seconds left. Let's prepare a martingale for $500 just in case. Accordingly, I will split it into $550 and make 2 trades because the maximum trade here is $1,000. Let's go down. Come on, take this trade. Make us happy. What are you doing? There are 7 seconds left. Come on. Come on, Parade, there's no need to rush us into martingale trades right away. Right now, especially since it's evening, it's about 10:30 Moscow time, and we have $450. I'm placing the initial bet. Let's move to another pair. So, I've found a situation like this. I'm going long for $250. I think the right level will be reached now. If the price, of course, goes for a pullback, but we will take from the lower boundary, or we might even reverse completely. What's wrong with the evening? The interest rate on currency pairs and low liquidity pairs drops. If there are no signals at all, I'll switch to OTS assets. And there I will definitely find some signal because there is a wide selection now and the interest rate is good. You can find a really good entry point and take your profit. I think there will be a breakout now, passing through this shadow, if... Oh, good, excellent. The price is passing through the shadow. I hope it at least consolidates here or even further so that it would be... Oh, good. Great. The rocket has taken off, and I think there should be a confident profit here. Oh, how strong my desire is to go short right now. So, I'm going short. Alright, I'll enter for 2 minutes. The price is already entering a new trading range, a new level that was support, and has now become resistance, accordingly. I think the price should react. Even if it goes higher now, I will take 1 martingale for a downward move. The price has really taken off, which makes me happy. The deal should be closed in a ring. For those who don't know what a ring is, it's when we enter a trade. For example, here upwards. The price shot up here, and then down, closing in the middle, which is called taking a trade in a ring or looping the price. This means we profit from both sides, like a kind of double martingale. We confidently take this trade into profit, plus $450. Great. Let's go for a 2-minute upward trade here. I think the price wants to break out. If the price pulls back now, then we will exit from here. I placed a bet here for 2 minutes, but actually, I would bet for 1 minute here because the price could shoot up and then come back. The price wants to break through this level, but let's watch the trade. I think there might be a reversal now. If the price shoots up now, that would be just fantastic. In one pair, we made 3 profits literally in just these 6 to 7 minutes. I hope that now the girl will enter with a profit initially, and it will be really nice. I don't want to speak too soon, but we might not even have to catch up too much. We have 1 minute left. And for those who don't know, I have a private Telegram channel with signals and educational videos. Write to the link in the description. I want a team. I will add you there, and accordingly, you will earn with us. There are such precise signals. I meticulously choose the signal. The statistics are good, over 90%, because I select a good initial trade and also use martingale. There are also my own educational videos that I recorded. It will cover psychology, money management, martingale, meaning I will break down such nuances and it will be very useful. By the link in the description, I want to join the team. You will develop, learn, and earn. We are covered. What is this? 500. Let's leave this pair. Guys, this happened so beautifully. The trade was in profit and at the last second it went into loss. Well, that's it. Here are 2 minutes for a downward trade. The volatility of this pair suggests that the price is unlikely to stop now and will only halt at this boundary. Yes, if there is a slight bounce up now, I will take a martingale on 1100 for a short position of 2 at 550. But for now, everything indicates that we should bet on a decline. Even though this isn't the best point in the pack's power, you can still see that the price is rising. I took 2 minutes as a buffer, and that's good. This is how I felt. I should have taken my time and not said that everything was easy for us. You know? Usually when you say something like that and when you start believing in yourself, that's when this kind of stuff happens. So let's wait for the price to rise a bit higher, and I'll take a martingale. In any case, I'm already going for a short position. That's it. The trades are set, I've clenched my fists, and I'm just waiting for the downward move. And our trades are going into profit. Great, the price has dropped a bit, but don't let the price affect you. I believe this deserves a confident like. Guys, I'm doing this purely for you. I could just trade and earn for myself, but since we've switched to Pocket, of course, I could lose everything. So be careful and don't take risks. The official original link to Pocket Option is in the description below this video. Feel free to register. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell and leave your comments.